My name's Brent Fermonic, and I'm excited to present Bluffside Gardens of Decorah, Iowa. Decorah is an active community, and my hope with Bluffside Gardens is that we're able to provide a base camp for people to come and explore everything that this area has to offer. We have hiking, biking, trout fishing, and one of my favorites, jumping in a canoe or kayak and floating the Upper Iowa River. So whatever you decide to do, Decorah is the great place for people to come and enjoy everything that the Driftless region offers. As I was developing the plans for Bluffside Gardens, it was really important for me to use high-level architecture and landscape design. With the help of my landscape designer, Kevin Klosterwill, we chose the motto, stay, grow, and explore. And I really think that epitomizes what our goals here at Bluffside Gardens are. I want the design of the spaces to create little experiences that spark people's creative side and really function to allow people to come together as a group, to sit by the fire, wake up in the morning, listen to the birds, and have their coffee, and then set themselves up for a great day in Decorah. When people arrive at Bluffside Gardens, right away they're going to know that they're in a different kind of place. I really want people to feel like they're in their own little world. We were really intentional with our design elements to give people an array of botanical experiences. We have a pine walk to feel like you're running through a southern forest. We have redbud circles to feel like you're on Iowa State's campus in Ames. Really the goal with those design elements is to create a place that's all of its own. In terms of our units, guests won't walk through a dim lit hallway to get to their rooms. All of our rooms are light, airy, and absolutely clean. In terms of dollar per experience, we really do have a lot to offer. We have lots of family reunions, wedding parties, class reunions, and corporate retreats book the whole place. Bluffside Gardens really does provide that great gathering point for people to come together and to enjoy those kind of activities. So come, stay, grow, and explore with us at Bluffside Gardens in Decorah, Iowa. We hope to see you soon.